What's up, Eric?
Not much, Casey. How you doing?
Oh no, I can't hear you. Hold on. How about now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Can you
We're
hear
doing
me?
good. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. My Zoom has been doing the thing where it resets my settings all the time.
I was to say I could hear you from the start.
Yeah, it's happy with the mic. It just doesn't like sending output to the same device, I guess. I don't know. I don't think we have any like content for today. I'm kind of just here for 10 minutes in case anybody shows up to tell them that we're probably not going to talk about anything.
Okay.
Um, Yeah, I think we're also going to be looking at rescheduling this to a different day so that Matt can make it.
Oh, is he gonna take over? Kinda.
Yeah, I think Matt's going to take over, and I think we should be thinking about brainstorming some ways to make this meeting better. I think the status updates are fine, but they're not like super exciting
Yeah.
or super useful a lot of the time. Um, so maybe think about that a little bit. I don't know if you got any ideas.
Uh, I don't. I mean, keep an eye out for the show and tells and or symposiums we do. Let's see if we can find any content from that.
Yeah, more demos would be cool. Um, I think that they're a little bit dependent on us actually working on demoable stuff.
Yeah. 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 I mean, I don't know what kind of stuff is demo worthy for this. Like, would like recently there was the work adding what is that tuning plugin. Like, I
Hmm.
mean, I guess we could. I don't know if like demoing a migration of the tuning plugin or I mean,
It's pretty niche.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Agreed.
Yeah, I
Hey,
don't know that
Nathan.
I would be excited about it. Hey, Nathan.
Hey, good morning.
We were just talking about how we don't really have anything scheduled for today, and we're kind of just hanging out for a few minutes. Um, so happy to see your face,
Yeah,
but this will probably be a
mm,
pretty short one.
yeah.
I'm happy to talk about anything you want to
Maybe,
talk about
maybe a
too.
small question from my end.
Yeah. When's the release?
It's
It's
oh, you read my mind.
yeah, yeah, I was
No, no,
told
no. Just no pressure, no pressure at all on this end. Just to get an idea of the.
yeah, I mean, clearly it's I don't have a lot of faith in what I am saying anymore because I think I told you it was going to be 2 weeks ago, and then I told you it was going to be last week,
Mm.
and then I said it was going to be Monday. Um,
It's always the fate of release processes, I guess.
yeah,
This,
I think it's just
like
been hitting
also this close to
tedious.
Christmas.
Yeah,
Mm,
it's been hitting some little tedious issues. Like we found some build issues in our
mm,
release code that was causing problems.
mm.
Um, the last I heard, it was expected to go out yesterday, but clearly it hasn't. Um, so it's sort of day by day. It's sort of in the works at the moment, and I would expect
Mm.
it any minute would be my guess. Um,
Okay.
I will
Uh,
message you directly as soon as I see that it goes out.
okay.
Yeah.
Just because we for the process. We will probably need to do the PR on the API repo to update, get a tag pushed, and build artifacts based on that.
Yep.
I did a couple. I'm tracking. So actually, I don't expect any changes there. Just that we need to do a couple things before being to release ourselves. So that's why I'm just being. So the reason I'm keeping asking you is I keep asking you is that I don't want to be caught as, oh, I didn't notice there is an image out and we don't have our own images, and people will ask
Yeah, for sure.
what's our status and be caught in a fire. So that's
Yeah.
but yeah, no worries at all on that front. Also, worth knowing, so my wife is expecting a child in any
Ooh.
minute now,
Uh-huh.
so I might disappear at some
Yeah.
point.
Well, congratulations in
That's
advance. That's exciting.
thanks.
Is there somebody else that I should loop into my updates on release status?
Um, I'll drop you a note if I yeah when I'm free with, but Hedy and Onong
Okay.
should be up to date on how to release and
Well, no need to let me know if I'm sure you'll be busy and
yeah.
that's probably
Yeah, you'll probably know anyway by
yeah, I will know when you stop
or
responding.
Sean. Mm, yeah, okay. But thanks for this. And completely unrelated, but so just before we were in the sync up for the multi-network cap meeting,
Hmm.
community cap meeting, and I think start of next year there will be some alignment meeting, trying to gather a bit of everyone just to make sure that what is being planned and being pushed forward aligns with. So we don't hit any blockers from major CNIs, and Calico being a major CNI. I think so. Your name came up as one AKZ, so one of the potential candidates to be included in the meeting,
Right.
just to be sure that we don't um, uh, break in, so that this process does not hit anything. So on my end, I didn't see anything that was against, but I don't want to speak for Tidera as a whole. So
Yeah, that's a good
I think
heads up.
I'm gonna
I
forward the answer to you.
I will need to catch up on that. Um, but I'm happy to attend. I would also throw out Sean's name as somebody who could
Okay.
could contribute well there. Um,
Hmm.
but that's January probably.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably going to be January.
Okay.
Yeah. There is a break coming up as well. I don't know if all like companies have shutdowns during the winter, but
Yeah.
I expect most people do.
Yeah, to varying degrees. I think it's already starting to feel like that here. People are
Mm,
starting to go on vacation this week. So it's slowing down, which is exciting for
mm,
me because I get to
mm,
work on all the stuff that I want to work on for a week or two
mm. Yeah,
on my pet projects.
it's neat. Mm,
We were also
mm,
saying, I think, so with Matt Lung gone, we're going to have a different Matt taking over this meeting. Um,
mm.
and probably means we'll be moving it to a different day just because of his schedule. Um,
Okay.
I think the day he threw out was Tuesday, but we wanted to run it by and see. We don't want to pick a day that you won't be able to make it. Um,
I, uh, most days have conflicts. I should be able to make it on Tuesday. I have another recurring sync ups, but yeah, once a month is not,
Yeah.
not a big deal. Works fine.
Cool. I will relay that message.
Cool, thanks.
I'll have to move the monthly meeting that we were in yesterday, Casey.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, there'll be a domino effect, but
Not too many.
yeah. Maybe we just combine those meetings.
Yeah, I'll probably use it as a opportunity to move it to a not the second whatever of the month.
Yeah.
Move it to the first or the third so that it's not the same week as the Calico community meeting.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Anyway, it seems like we're not getting anybody else. So if there's nothing else you guys want to chat about, I'm probably going to go make some waffles. It is Waffle Wednesday here after all.
Sounds like a nice plan.
Yep.
On
Enjoy
my
'em.
end, it's probably going to be beer o'clock. It's more like
Ah, yes.
beer
Also a
time
nice
here.
plan. Indeed.
Does anybody ever have beer and waffles? Is that a combo?
There was a time back when we had more beer in the office that I experimented with using beer instead of water in the recipe. It worked okay,
Yeah.
but it wasn't anything special. It wasn't like
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
noticeable.
Yeah. That's the
Yeah.
place every Belgian has been at some point in his life.
Yep. Yep. Mm. Cool. Well, it was good to
All
see you
right.
guys.
Yeah.
I will chat with you
All right.
later and
Yeah. Good
have a
seeing you.
good holiday break.
Yeah. Congrats on the
Thanks.
new kid.
Yep.
Have
Yeah.
fun. It'll be a
Many
great
thanks.
holiday.
Yeah. Thanks. Enjoy Christmas and New Year, and see you in the season.
Yep.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers.